What's up everybody, this is Airsoft Customs and today we are at our final part of the motor testing from the T238 and their brushless motor. Okay, here we have 18:1 DSG with the other motor that T238 is actually offering. It's this type of motor. It's the 29,000 RPMs. It's the one that have an active cooling inside. And right now we are about to check the readings out of this. Let me just see if there is no BB, because this is a max model inside. Okay, around 19 amps. I will melt down this definitely. Let's see what we will get from the motor, which gets stuck because I definitely screwed the potentiometer, so I will order a new one pretty much these days, and I will replace it. However, right now it's stuck on 1.9 amps, which is, I guess, around 20, I don't know, 27,000 RPMs, and not the original mentioned by the manufacturer, because it gets stuck and broke after several testings. So my assumption and my how to say, my advice to everybody, to anybody who is going to adjust the motor: take out the cap and slowly adjust it, then test it, then take out the cap, slowly adjust it, put it back again and test it. Otherwise, if you're trying from here, you don't know how you actually engage with the same adjustment, I don't know how to say, but with the potentiometer, and you can definitely snap it, and it's not going to move anywhere, and it will be get stuck in some adjustment which may or may not be the correct one. Right now I don't care, because it's a testing unit and I will do whatever I want with it. But if I had paid for it, I will be very mad of myself, because I didn't do that, and I start to tune it from the back. And if you don't have a good screwdriver, you will definitely break it. So we know that it's 1.9 amps, and we will put it inside of this project gun that we have on the table. Meshing, I don't know how well it will mesh, because the pinion, it's not the same on this motor, because we already exchanged it. The length of the motors I have to measure right now, because perhaps the setting of the cap, it's not the same. Let's hope that it will be okay. Our custom towers, let's see. Okay, it's 87.71. Okay, so here we are about 0.5 of a millimeter more, which means that I will definitely have an issue here. Or I could have an issue. Let me just check where is the spring. And also, just because this is a fast gun and a fast motor, I need to tighten this just for testing, but I don't want to lose it inside. Most probably this is so tight that it will barely fit. Let's hope that we do not screw it up. Okay, let's open it a little. Otherwise it will not fit, because it's tight as hell due to the thickest tops. Yeah. Okay, right now we have a better chance. Ooh, fits very well. Let's see this cap, how it will interact with the motor. Yeah, I'm not okay. Okay, let's just measure, mark it for the other motor, because it was already good enough. Okay, so let's make one turn, half, and one entire turn. Yeah, right now I'm able to be close to closing the cap. Open just to see one thing, because I think that I'm getting on the cable. No. Okay, this should be good. Okay. I know it's larger, and I don't know if it's this or it's just fuck, or it's just hitting the cables. Can't judge right now. Let me just see one thing. If it actually can fit inside of the cap. Yeah, it can fit, but okay. Take a look. G&G, it's hitting right here. So this motor is a little bit longer, and for the G&G cap, perhaps it's not very okay. Okay, grind off some material here. Let's see right now. Pretty much no. Still need a little bit more, but let me see now. Go. And now I think that we are okay. I don't know how it is going to sound since it's a little bit longer, same motor, but I will definitely take out another half just in case, and I will put the battery and make some shots. Whoa, this is oh my god, what the fuck is that, man? Okay. scared to push it on full out, because I don't know how good am I right now on this. I mean on the motor height, but let's do it for a short and see what's the reading. Yeah. Yeah, it needs some shimming, definitely. Oh my god. It needs some shimming for sure, because it's not well shimmed. But take a look, this is a precock already made to work on that motor. When it's precocking again with the brushless motor. I like it. I definitely like this motor. My 2 cents is that this motor worth the money. I should test right now the Warhead, not this one for sure, just to double check how good is one compared to the other. This one has a lot of force and pretty much pulls without an issue this M150 which is inside. Did it get hot? Nope. Yeah, it gets some heat, but not as this one for sure. Come on, the same motor twice on the same box twice. Let's take one spring from here. I don't know why, but I don't like those springs. Yeah, they don't fit well. Let's see how long is this one, just to compare with what I... Oh, this one it's even longer. Fuck. Okay, maybe it can work the same. Right now, Okay, let's see this baby with this motor. How does it performs? Just some random single shots. Okay, sounding pretty much identical. Let's see the consumption out of one and the other. And something just get fucked up. Yeah. But anyway, perhaps the motor replacement. Perhaps they work similar, and there is a definite contender to the Warhead motors, and it's called the T238 Warhead. Sorry, the T238 Brushless Motor. Yep, this didn't failed. What failed is the fact that we just put the pinion but we didn't glue it, so it just gets out of the motor. Anyway, I don't think that it made a bigger issue there, because everything seems intact from here. I hope that everything is fine, but anyway, the important thing is that those two motors are not so different in terms of behavior. What is different is the price and also how they are made. This is better made than on the Warhead. The rotor has a lot more torque here. There is adjustable feature, which this one doesn't, and that's all. But it's not unimportant. Everything that I said here, it's very, very interesting, because T238 has stepped up on a big game with the Warhead. So cheers, guys. I hope you didn't get too bored during this technical video. I will put some links into the description of the T238 webpage, so you can check them out. If you want, you can buy. If you don't want, just take a look at what they are offering. I'm not gonna lie, we are using a lot of their products on our builds and on the customers' builds. Like here inside we have a T238 1.7 board, which is for the version 2 gearboxes. As you can see, we are using also those motors. They are pretty good also for brushed motors. They have an active cooling and we can recommend them as well. But we are here for this stuff, so check them out, and I will see you on the next one.